is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗔𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞. So we're here in Island Stays Uptown here in Cebu City. So let's take a room tour. So just a quick review of island stays here in Cebu City, Uptown. So this is a budget-friendly hotel here in Cebu City. It's just walking distance to Ayala Mall. And if you're on a budget, I would highly recommend island stays. However, we always get what we pay for. So I just feel like the hotel is a bit old and rooms need renovations. We had problem with water supply earlier. However, the staff are very quick in resolving our issue. I can't really complain because we only paid almost 2,000 pesos. So that's really cheap here in Cebu City. And they also allow guests for early check-in for 100 pesos per hour. Their check-in time here is 2 p.m. and we had to check in at around 8 a.m. Okay, and they also provide PWD and senior discount here. So we're supposed to pay 2,500 pesos, so we only pay 1,954 pesos.